Experiencing slow internet, connectivity issues, or device malfunctions with your Verizon Fios service? Rebooting your router is often the quickest solution. This video will guide you through 3 safe and effective methods, using the MyFios app, the physical button on your router, and power cycling. Remember, improper resets can erase your settings, so avoid factory resets unless absolutely necessary. Start with the app or button method before resorting to power cycling. Why does this work? Rebooting clears the router's cache, refreshes connections, and restores optimal performance by resolving temporary glitches from software bugs, memory overloads, or interference. All methods typically take 2 to 5 minutes. During a reboot, all connected devices will temporarily lose internet connectivity. Let's walk through each method. First, the MyFios app. Open the MyFios app on your smartphone or tablet, available on iOS and Android. Navigate to Network, then Devices, and select your router. Choose the Reboot option and confirm your selection. You'll receive a push notification once the reboot is complete. This method is ideal for remote access. Second, the Router button. Locate the Reset button on your Verizon Fios router, usually found on the back. It's typically a small pinhole or a labeled button. Briefly press the button and wait for the router lights to cycle, indicating a reboot. Avoid holding the button down for an extended period, as this can initiate a factory reset. Third, power cycle. Unplug the power cord from your Verizon Fios router. Wait 30 to 60 seconds, then plug the power cord back in. Allow 1 to 2 minutes for the router to fully boot up. Verizon recommends using the app or button method first, as frequent power cycling can potentially stress the hardware. However, power cycling is still a viable method when the other methods do not work.